Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing the Patreon STL Part 5. If you do like the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, or Etsy store. And some of these I might be selling on the Etsy store as well. If you need someone to print it for you, just check it out or leave a comment down. It's not up there as well. Um, but yeah, I do this so that people know what's out there. I know there's a lot of controversies going on with the WotC and D&D and Pathfinder making it the new OGL and a lot of stuff as well. But I'm still going to play the game, just not going to buy the product. And I just pay third-party artists to print my stuff. But yeah, so we have done pinups. They're from RN Studio. Let's see, they have the only patrons to unlock this beat. So we have some kind of elf maiden. They do animate one as well. It's New Frontier, now live. Some Pioneer. This is pretty good as well. And there's some of the anime like fighting characters for it. Painting exact same color might be a different story. Just let you guys know as well. I think they have. That's 275 Bus Collector. They are doing a Kickstarter. This is January preview for it as well. We got 2B. And we got that. Monster Mucinex, the Snake Girl. And that'll be it for that as well. Lost Kingdom Miniatures post. We have, looks like, our Jan piece. Yeah. They usually have like one big print, small print that look like Yantis or llamas with that. So they're Naga. Oh, they're Nagas. They really don't. The Nagas are different. Well, everyone saying certain things differently. To me, these are Yantis. How I see them as well. They do have really good prints, and some of these are scorpions from Mortal Kombat. So that's actually kind of cool. I am definitely going to get this, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to print them, but we have like a whole bunch of like the ninja class for it as well. So that's pretty damn cool. Yeah, that needs to be purchased and be printed. And see if I can do it. And here are the Nagas. I call them, they're more like Yanti. They look just like the Yantis or Lambas. Lambas, whatever they pronounce it, call it. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Well, so you usually have a really big print. Like one big print, but that looks like it hasn't been shown lately. For this month as well, just looking like it. We have TPK Labs, come Patreon, dollar tier, yes. So this is the Elven set. Looks like it. Archer, Ranger, Mage. I know we need some sea elves. So I haven't seen much sea elves, other types of elves, only drows and regular, at least looks like high elves to me. We got some forest elves, but we don't have no snow elves, sea elves. There's like different types of damn elves for different seasons or different regions as well. But these are still pretty good, you know, elven type thing for you guys to use as well. But yeah, it looks pretty good. But we rarely use elven settlements because the elven fall for terrain pieces. Ruined elven walls. It looks pretty good. I could probably plaster it and cast and resin them too. So that's it for TPK. So SAR. Let's see what we got here. The looks like berries. Loyalty. So we have a loyalty one that's out. That's out. I think it's like 3 to 6 months. Probably gonna be released pretty soon. January Fairy Whisperer welcome pack. I want pictures. So welcome pack. This is the fairy one for January. So we have looks like it's fairy season for it, but springtime still winter. So we got some busty looking fairies for your guys' game. I'm still working on skin tones. It's just it takes a while to learn all these things. I'm starting to paint anime figures, so it's like try to get my bearings around it as well. But these are look pretty good looking fairies as well. We got some carnivorous plants. We got the fairy whisperers. That's what they're called. But yeah, so we go to the Feywild or Mountain. We got fungal Fey. So you can probably place these with bunglets if you guys really want to for your guys' game as well. I don't think none of your party they will mind. They got them riding on beetles. So these are pretty cool looking ones. I can't wait to have it. We got some actual full fungal looking woman as well. That put slap boobs on it. And there you go. Lexus Creative Greek MD. I don't think he released that out to me yet, but we will soon. I don't know what is January going to be. Looks like it is Griffith Berserk and Harley Quinn of Horror. This will be a model surprise model, so you will see if I'll get them. Usually you get them next month by like next week. Only got the Splinter one from last week, so if I gained what you call it, a Darth Vader Samurai version one as well. Holy shit. Up a Space Mountain. So I think these are gifts from those space hippos. Bottle weapon. And they're like Master Tradition and War. So yeah, these are gifts. Huppus, Space Mercenaries. Yeah, they're gifts in the what you call it, the Space Spelljammer books for it as well. I know I'm going to print a lot of these because I am doing a Spelljammer type game. Be 5e rules, but a lot of the materials going to be from the second edition D&D from AD&D. So these books awesome. They're all going to be similar, grayish, purplish gray, purple. I don't know what other color hippos come into for it as well, but I think this would be pretty good to use. I do like the ability of sci-fi and fantasy together for it. I think it's awesome. It's awesome. But I'm also changing a lot of the rules in the actual book itself. I think the mechanics are poorly written, in my opinion, but I think these are really, really good looking for it. Got that flying old manta. There's a chain on it. And you have actual nice looking bases for a Spelljammer ship. And these are your throwbacks. What they are. But I think these are like, oh, these are like crew members and stuff. But we'll get that as well. Next one is Pat Psosky. I think this will be the last one for this one, and we'll do the next one later on. Let's see, Elite Cyber Elite. We have some kind of a insectoid woman, a Tyranid / humanoid. So this will be really good for like a gene stealing game for Warhammer. Josh Woods and his companion. For some reason that thing looked like Nicolas Cage and with his dog. But yeah, but these are also a war type battle game as well. New weapon M240 incinerator unit. Looks pretty good. Yeah, both human colonial marine Michael Sharp. But you can do like those war gaming table. This is really good. Also kind of rocket launcher as well. And we have Pessy die special resistance. So we have looks like it is the resistance. I'm trying to find what they have. Surprise mini release 30th. I think this for next. This is for this month. Squigs or bigger guns and blade. I like squigs because they're supposed to be like dwarfs, but their lore is really weird. Pesky bonus medic. So they don't have anything. Uh, any photos of it? Do I have to go down this one to see renders of it? I guess this is the welcome pack. I'm guessing they don't have everything out right now. They usually do. Use your cyberpunk right here as well. I want to do some cyberpunk paint, but it is something that I'm gonna have to uh, uh, buy a finer and neon type color. This is January, right? The tokens, best friends at once, terrain pieces, future killer arms Sniger, Terminator type, in the future wars, better dead token. That looks really gruesome. I'm going through some rebars. I had the Terminator game. Maybe a lot of these pieces for that as well. I know I also got to get my Dark going as well. I need to find people to try. I have a very hard time finding actual people to play with. Santa. That's going down in December. That's January. I really. They didn't do that. But it looks like the Terminators and the versus the humans for it. But you know what? I'm just going to have to wait and save on it and make a video for like next time, so that we can actually see what's going on with this. So I'm gonna move it all the way towards the end over here. Let's see here, cast and play, Jumat. That'll be for next time for part 6. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy store. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.